The most important part of writing your essays is don't try and guess what admissions wants you to say. Admissions wants you to be you. The best way you're going to write your essays is to be authentic. Ask yourself, what do I care about? Why do I really want to get an MBA? And those will help bring out the answers to your questions. What are you passionate about? What you want to do with your life should be the basis of what you're going to write about. Once you have an idea on your topic, you're going to try and get some feedback, specifically from people whom you trust and who know you well. People like this would be parents or friends who you think have particularly good editing skills and can take an objective view while still knowing you. Once that's done and you see their edits, try reading it out loud. Does it still sound like it comes from you? Does it sound authentic? If it doesn't, then you should switch back to your original tone. Ideally, you want to make sure it's crisp, well written, free of any grammatical errors, and don't mix up the name of schools in your essays.